Some parks are gardens, some are playgrounds. But Ciutadella? It's a piece of history to Tim, where kings once ruled, cannons once roared, and now music, laughter, and sunlight weave through the trees. Let's step inside, leave the city noise behind, and walk into Barcelona's most living monument. The first monument you see is dedicated to General Joan Prim, a military hero who shaped Spain's political future, but was assassinated under mysterious circumstances in 1870. The statue shows Prim proudly on horseback, symbolizing his powerful leadership during a time when Spain was desperate for stability and reform. Shortly after the statue, you'll spot the Barcelona Zoo entrance, a zoo famous for once being the home of Snowflake, the world's only known albino gorilla. In front of you is the Parròquia Castrense, a military church built to serve the garrison stationed in the old Ciutadella fortress. On the right side, facing the church, stands the elegant Institut Verdaguer, once part of the administrative heart of the fortress. Plaça Joan Fiveller is a peaceful clearing inside the park, named after a medieval noble who defended Barcelona's municipal rights against royal interference. In the middle of today's calm plaza, you're standing on what was once the central heart of the old Ciutadella fortress, now reclaimed by nature and community. The Parlament de Catalunya is housed in the former arsenal of the fortress, built in the early 18th century to store weapons. Now it holds the hopes of a people. Did you know, before it became the Parliament in 1932, this massive red brick building served as an art museum full of Catalan masterpieces. Its heavy defensive architecture reminds visitors of its military past, but today it stands for freedom, governance, and Catalan identity. As you leave the Parliament behind, you'll notice the park changes. Less formal, more relaxed, with lawns stretching wide and people laughing, playing, and enjoying the afternoon. Children love feeding the pigeons and small birds here, a timeless Barcelona tradition that gives the park a village square feeling inside the big city. The walk toward the lake is filled with life. Joggers, families, tourists, and locals all weaving together under the soft shade of ancient trees. The lake at Ciutadella is a man-made lagoon designed during the park's transformation in the late 19th century to bring a touch of nature to the old military grounds. You'll spot ducks, swans, and turtles gliding across the water, sometimes even friendly pigeons trying to sneak a crumb from picnickers nearby. Did you know you can rent a little rowing boat here? It's one of Barcelona's oldest romantic traditions, perfect for a lazy afternoon float among the birds. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing. The Cascada Monumental is not just a fountain. It's a symbol of Barcelona's artistic ambitions during the 1888 Universal Exposition. Did you know a young Antoni Gaudí helped design parts of the hydraulic system and the decorative elements when he was still a student? The golden sculpture at the top, known as the Quadriga of Aurora, shows 4 horses pulling a chariot, symbolizing the goddess of dawn bringing light to the world. Around the base, you'll find sculptures of sea monsters, nymphs, and winged creatures, blending mythological romance with Catalan creativity. In the afternoons, the Cascada becomes a lively stage. You might hear musicians playing, couples dancing, and families posing for sunset photos.
Son 50, 50, 50, 50.
Party.
If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
Siapa pergi ke rumah sang kotor?
As you leave the Cascada behind, the path opens wide. You can already see the Arc de Triomf rising like a gateway to another era. Along the Passeig de Lluís Companys, you'll pass skateboarders, cyclists, painters, and families feeding flocks of pigeons under the golden light. This tree-lined avenue was built as the Grand Promenade leading to the 1888 Universal Exhibition, a historic path designed to welcome the world to Barcelona. The Arc de Triomf was designed by architect Josep Vilaseca as the main entrance to the 1888 Expo, not as a symbol of military victory, but of progress and respect among nations. Its red brick construction stands out from traditional European triumphal arches, blending Moorish revival style with Catalan spirit. Did you know? The Arc is covered in sculptural reliefs celebrating Barcelona's achievements, a proud permanent invitation to walk forward into the city's dreams. From history to laughter, from quiet gardens to open skies, this was a walk through Ciutadella's soul. Thanks for joining. See you in the next adventure.